Good morning and welcome to today's edition of Toggle's Daily Video Insights. Happy Wednesday. I'm Jan, I'm the CEO and co-founder of Toggle, and if you like these insights, would like to see them more often, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, or else you can also check out and test drive Toggle Copilot on toggle.global, where you can also sign up for our daily brief where we discuss a range of issues on a daily basis and always highlight also what everybody else on the Toggle platform is currently looking at, what are the popular stocks, and so on. The spotlight today is going to be on Treehouse Foods. Specifically, Toggle is noting that momentum, both short-term, in this case specifically the 1 week and the 1 month momentum, as well as the medium-term, 6 month momentum, have turned positive. And historically, at least over the 13 similar episodes, these are past occurrences that had a similar configuration of positive momentum. Over those periods, the stock price typically saw a rise of just over 17% over the following 6 months. And what you can see here, again, starting price at 43.35, the medium projection with a reasonably narrow confidence cone gets it to about 52.62, whereas the 38.72, the infamous red line, is the point at which the odds that this paradigm, that a stronger momentum will power the stock higher, this paradigm, the odds diminish quite substantially. And so it's certainly a good place to, at a minimum, revisit the thesis and the long position. One thing to note about this specific stock is, as you know, actually before we go there, just a quick look at when these past 13 episodes had appeared, and you can see that this really does stretch and span quite a good stretch of history. So a reasonably robust pattern that we are looking at today. Anyway, going back to the topic of a caveat about this, while you can see that there's a meaningful shift of more positive returns, so this is the return distribution when momentum was positive as it is currently versus the baseline that's positive but much less so, the outcomes have tended to be green, as you can see here, somewhere between 10 and even as high as 30%. But there have been a couple of episodes, one in particular, where in the past the stock continued to go down as much as 20%. So just something to really keep in mind, that the lines where you revisit and see whether or not you still like the position are really important to follow and stick with for risk management purposes. Otherwise, in the daily brief, we also discussed the reasons for a very surprising spike in oil prices yesterday. And if you have any interest, check out the daily brief. Otherwise, you can also sign up for it on toggle.global, and again, follow us on our YouTube channel. Thanks for your attention. We'll see you again on Thursday.